In this video, I will show you how to clean partial dentures. Cleaning your partial dentures is important to maintain oral hygiene and prevent issues such as plaque buildup, staining, and bad breath. Here are steps you can follow to clean your partial dentures. 1. Remove dentures. Take out your partial dentures carefully to avoid any damage. Handle them over a basin filled with water or a folded towel to prevent breakage if dropped. 2. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the partial dentures under running water to remove loose particles and debris. 3. This step helps in preparing the dentures for a more thorough cleaning. Use a soft brush. Use a soft bristled toothbrush or a denture brush specifically designed for cleaning dentures. Regular toothbrushes may be too abrasive and can damage the denture material. Gently brush all surfaces of the dentures, including the clasps, teeth, and any other attachments. 4. Denture cleaner. Soak your partial dentures in a denture cleaning solution. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific product you are using. Some solutions require overnight soaking, while others provide quick cleaning within a few minutes. 5. Avoid hot water. Do not use hot or boiling water, as it can distort the shape of the dentures. Use lukewarm or cool water for both rinsing and soaking. 6. Brush your mouth. While your dentures are out, use a soft toothbrush to gently clean your gums, tongue, and the roof of your mouth. This helps remove bacteria and stimulate circulation. 7. Avoid harsh cleaners. Avoid using abrasive cleaners, strong household cleaners, or bleach, as they can damage the denture material. 8. Regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your dentist to ensure that your partial dentures are fitting properly and to address any concerns or adjustments. 9. Storage. When you're not wearing your partial dentures, keep them moist by storing them in a denture soaking solution or plain water. Avoid using hot water for storage. 10. Handle with care. Handle your partial dentures with care to prevent breakage. When not in use, store them in a safe place, away from children and pets. Remember to follow the specific care instructions provided by your dentist or the manufacturer of your partial dentures. Regular cleaning and maintenance will contribute to the longevity of your dentures and promote better oral health. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.